Hi, I'm Jason, and one thing I'm asked by people who come to see me after they've been in an accident is, what are potential problems with my case? Well, there are a few things that are giant red flags if an insurance company sees them. And they're red flags, frankly, because if we have to go all the way to a jury trial in your case, a jury is probably not going to like seeing these things in your case. One of them is if you fail to get medical care immediately or fail to keep your appointments. So it's a big problem if, say, you go after an accident, you go to the doctor and you get some medical treatment, but then there's a gap in treatment of a month or 2 months, and then you go back to the doctor. To the jury, that signals that, hey, maybe you got better and something else happened in the interim. And that sort of situation gives the insurance company enough of an argument to cast doubt in the minds of a jury. So that is one major thing to avoid, is a large gap in treatment. Another red flag is if there's not a lot of damage to your car in the accident, and that's called low property damage. Now, we know scientifically that the amount of damage to a car has almost zero impact on the amount of damage to the person inside the car. However, juries typically expect that the bigger the damage to the car, the more seriously injured someone inside the car could have been. So, although we've had cases where people develop serious and significant injuries with very little damage to their car, those cases are oftentimes more difficult to prove and require more medical evidence to convince a jury of the nature of the injury. So those are two big red flags in a case. If you have any more questions, please visit our website, www.premierlawgroup.com. Thank you.